Hey there, sweethearts. I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know that I love you and I am missing you like crazy. And I hope everybody's doing good and you're safe and you're warm. And I just thought since we can't spend time together at school right now, maybe I could read a few stories to you guys, some of the ones that we like to read during class. So I know you guys love this one, Elephant and Piggy, I Broke My Trunk. And I may have to look at it and read it and then show you the pictures. I have not seen Gerald today. Why? Why do you think he hasn't seen Gerald? Or I think Piggy's little girl. Gerald, what happened to your trunk? I broke my trunk. How did you break your trunk? It's a long, crazy story. Tell it! Tell it! Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then I had an idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk. Why? Because. Okay. So I lifted Hippo onto my trunk. But a hippo on your trunk is heavy. I imagine it would be. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. There is more to my story. Then Rhino showed up. Uh-oh. Rhino wanted a turn. What did you do? Well, I lifted both of them onto my trunk. But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very, very heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No, there is more to my story. I can't imagine what more could be going on here. My trunk would have been broke if I had held a rhino and what all is it? A rhino and a hippo on my nose. Then, Hippo's sister showed up. Hippo has a sister? A big sister. Uh-oh. I bet she's going to want to turn too. Did she want to turn too? Yes. Oh, look, Piggy's like, oh, man. She also wanted to play her piano. And 2 hippos, 1 rhino, and a piano on your trunk are very, very heavy. Look at them there. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. This is a long, crazy story. Gerald, how did you break your trunk? Do you guys remember how he broke his trunk? Let's see. Well, I was so proud of what I had done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it. Like he was running to tell Piggy. But then I tripped. Whoop. And broke my trunk. You broke your trunk running to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell someone your crazy story. Oh. Uh-oh. What do you think is going to happen? Piggy? What happened to your snout? It is a long, crazy story. Oh no, it happened to Piggy too. Wasn't that silly? Well, guys, I hope you have a wonderful night and a great sleep. And I'm going to try to do these every day, just so that we can kind of hang out a little bit. So I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.